Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited about today's video because I get to share with you all of the beautiful snow that we've been having lately, and it truly is just so beautiful. Here, let's walk over here and we can sit down and chat. One of the biggest things that has changed in the last week is obviously, as you can see, our temperature has drastically shifted since my last video, and it is now starting to feel like winter. We're kind of skipping fall, it feels like, and going straight into winter. But yeah, winter is coming. We had 2 beautiful days full of snow where it was just dumping snow all day long. We drove up here into the mountains and took the most beautiful footage of the mountains, of this beautiful road that like goes to this beautiful lake down where we live, you know, and we didn't get to see the lake because the road wasn't completely plowed, but it was so beautiful to just go down there and see.
You're not hurt, are you? If you're hurt, you can land in one of our hands.
Come here.
Isn't you healing? Honsaze shonen. Honsaze shonen. Honsaze shonen. Honsaze shonen. Honsaze shonen.
Hi, beautiful.
Honsaze shonen. Honsaze shonen.
Hi, beautiful.
Honsaze shonen. Hi. Come here. Come here. It's okay.
Another thing, snow is literally just falling from trees right now, but another thing that we have been doing a lot of lately is working on our jewelry. As many of you guys know, my partner and I both have our own online jewelry business where we share all of everything that we make, and we have our business together, Quantum Crystal Keepers, where we make all of our wire wraps and we sell crystals and stuff, and then we both have our own metal smithing shops where we share all of the jewelry that we make. We've been going out a lot lately, taking beautiful photos of our jewelry out in nature. We've been working a lot in the studio and just getting a lot done and revamping a lot of what we do when it comes to like our business and everything. And we've been just really trying to be present in the moment, you know, through all of the chaos, like I said on my last video, with everything going on in the world. I just feel it is most important right now to be going out in nature, with the earth in this way, to be feeling the different season changes, really feeling into the beauty that each season has to offer, and knowing that through each season we can learn something new, we can grow into a new version of ourselves, we can evolve, and it can be a time of, you know, learning and growth, which is what I love about winter. I always feel like it always pushes me deeper to go within, to feel the stillness more within each moment, to see the beauty, like I said, that is all around, and just completely revel in it, because there's nothing else to do. Winter slows everything down, and that is why I'm so excited for this time of year, and I'm just so excited to share it with you guys. It's absolutely beautiful here. Like I said, this is my third winter here in Colorado, and the winters are insane. And what's actually funny is my partner and I have been talking a lot lately about moving to Alaska, just because we love Canada so much. We came from the Pacific Northwest, like deep in Washington, almost bordering Canada, so I'm just so used to the deep evergreen trees, the forests, the snow, the winters, you know. But I didn't really get winters like this in Washington. Here in Colorado is the first time I've ever experienced like true winters every single winter, to where we get feet of snow, and I'm just so excited. So I don't know what is in store for us in the future, where we're gonna end up, you know, what life has to offer when it comes to all that. I know life has to offer so much, and I'm just open to it, and I'm just like, you know, so I wanted to share that with you guys, for anyone who has followed our journey. And if anyone of you do actually live in Alaska, please comment below in the comments. I would love to like connect with you and talk with you about your experiences there. But yeah, so I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope that my videos really inspire you guys to get out in nature and to connect more. I'm really excited to share with you my next video, guys. So much is going on right now that I'm so excited to share with you. So make sure to stay tuned. Make sure to hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys next time. I love you so much.